Hi, I'm Morgan Clark from METTLER Toledo, and today I'd like to talk to you about an exciting opportunity to bring your Weighbridge up to the next level. Let's look at 3 options for you to proactively care for your older equipment to prepare ahead for success. First of all, if you're watching this video, you most likely have our PowerCell MTX load cells, whether you know it or not. You should be aware that these load cells are in the process of being phased out. That means we will only support them as spare parts moving forward as long as they are available. In order to avoid any unexpected downtime, proactively updating your system can really help. So let's look at 3 ways that you can do this. First of all, if your Weighbridge itself is older than 20 years old, it may be time to look at upgrading your entire system. Our new VTC15X low profile Weighbridge makes this really easy. The low profile enables you to drop this into your existing foundation, saving you a lot of time and money on your overall project. So it's a good option if you need to update your entire truck scale system. Next, if your Weighbridge is in good shape, you could utilize a load cell upgrade kit. Our new generations of PowerCell, including GDD and PDX, offer a lot of benefits over our older generation MTX. Same level of reliability, accuracy, and it's a really good option to enhance your existing Weighbridge while saving a lot of costs on the full system. So it's a good option for many operations. And lastly, if you've watched through this video and both of those options you're not really sure, a service health check can help you make that determination a little bit easier. So a service rep will come out to your site, walk through a checklist with you, looking at both your Weighbridge and your load cell system, looking for anything that is, maybe going to be failing over the next months to years, and help you to better make that decision on site. So a health check is a really good option if you are just, looking for some assistance there. And that's it. So those 3 options really should cover whatever your needs are. And like I said at the beginning, I think proactively working on this, preparing ahead is a lot better than having to react when a load cell failure does happen. We have options for you, whether it be a whole new Weighbridge system, just an upgrade kit, or just services to help keep your system healthy. With a truck scale being such a critical part of your day-to-day operations, working ahead on this stuff is only going to save you in the long run. So hopefully, that made sense. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local sales representative and they can help get some of these options rolling for you. Thanks and see you next time.